Oh my god, like, isn't this the cutest thing ever? First, we went to Love Anchor in Canggu. It is an ethical clothing boutique and market bazaar. I totally recommend to check this place out if you're looking for some goodies and jewelries. Just make sure to look closely because they have tons of selections. At this point, we were getting pretty toasty, so we decided to cool off a bit at Monsieur Spoon nearby, ordered their macaroons, and in there I continued my crochet. I am crocheting a bucket hat. At this point, it's already finished and it's actually really cute. By the afternoon, we got pretty hungry. They have cute restaurants and cafes around Pererenan area, but we decided to eat at this Italian place called Bottega Italiana. They serve gourmet Italian food and delicious fresh pasta. I forgot the name of the menu that I ordered, but I remember it was really fresh and it was delicious. For the dessert, I had to try their tiramisu. It was also good, but it was nothing too crazy. Say hi.
Just trying to find some peace.
The next day, we went to IKEA in Kuta. We didn't have IKEA here in Surabaya, so of course we have to go. We went there mainly to eat their Swedish meatballs and their 8,000 rupiah ice cream, of course.
Tak rekam ya tadi.
Basic.
We later decided to check out this Kmart nearby. They sell tons of Korean snacks, drinks, Sojus. They also sell beauty products. Then we ate lunch at the prettiest place ever called Garden Eatery. They have a plant shop at the front and a restaurant at the back. It was so lovely, and I swear there really was something magical about this place. The last week of my trip, I spent it with my friends. They flew to Bali at the 6th of August, and we spent the next 6 days together from the 6th until the 11th. We had no itinerary, so everything was just a pure impromptu chaotic ball of mess. But it was a really good one though, a really fun mess. We went places, stayed up until 4 laughing our ass off. So lack of sleep, but so full of life. We also ate the tastiest dry ramen ever at Sensorium Bali. It was immaculate. Ate the juiciest dumpling. It was so good. And on the second day, somehow we stumbled on a beach nearby. It was Canggu Beach, and it was truly one of the prettiest beach I've been so far on this trip. stayed there until sunset, we drank coconut, we had a lot of fun, and we enjoyed the view.